3001 and up stock. That was a full class. Third place with a 142.3, Raymond Dahlgren.
He don't want it, y'all.
Second place with a 145.0, Sean. Yeah, him.
Sean.
And first with a 152.4, Zach Pope.
Zach. Show us, Zach. Don't be trying to hide.
In the last class we have the 3001 and up modified, holding the camera, Jimmy.
Talking about me.
With a 1.1, oh wait, that's backwards. 156.1. First. All right, next we're going to the truck division. Second place, Russell Mason.
He was holding the camera. Mason. Show him. Tell him who he is on YouTube.
Mason 858.
Go check him out.
Watch out, Dave.
Dave. President of the car club.
Next we got the SUV division. First place, Shannon Brady.
All right, Shannon.
Hey. Shannon, try to get a shot at you.
Next we have the domestic division. That was a full class too. Third place in the 07 Dodge Charger, Vincent Stewart. Super B.
Hey, right, all right.
Second place in the 03 Monte Carlo, Stephen McClendon.
Set it down, boy, for the win.
First place in the 05 300, Miss Hemi. Why you hiding?
She don't want to get on camera. I got you anyway.
Next is the classic car division.
Oh yeah.
The 51 to 70 class. Third place, Winfrey Colley. 57 Bel Air. Second place in the 74 convertible, Keith Chapman. First place in the 51 Ford Victoria, Billy Poor.
He got a nice car.
Next division is the muscle car division.
I didn't know it ain't me.
In the 70 Monte Carlo, second place.
Ooh.
Joseph. Somebody can't write. First place in the 79 Mustang, Larry Harden.
That's what's up.
We have the best of show trophies and the highest SPL. We're gonna do the highest SPL. We know, of course, is Jimmy.
Who are they?
We need to get you some competition, man. You don't have trophies to give you. And the best of show is going to go to the Hummer. That was not an easy decision. Like 5 of them. That was right there neck to neck.
Yeah, hold it out.
Nice Hummer though. Like them W3s. Anyway, and then we have car club participation. By tired of y'all getting this, Team Southern Hertz.
Yes, sir.
We do appreciate y'all showing up and representing at the shows. Next show that we're going to have is July the 9th in the Forest Park O'Reilly's. Same time, 3 to 8. The earlier you show up, the better parking spot you get.